now we are at the end of the Shloka course. We have finished the Shloka course successfully, and thank you for your patience, for your energy level that you had shown in this learning, the Shloka learning. I hope it met your requirements and it was like a very nice for you and it was easy for you to recite and chant all the shlokas, and by now I think you know all the shlokas that we have learned from the beginning. That's wonderful. So if you don't know, there is no problem at all. Please keep up your practice. Please practice every day, and if you already know the shloka, start chanting the shlokas every day, either in the morning or the evening. Just make a some time, like a 10 or 15 minutes is fine. When you start chanting the shlokas, say all the shlokas. Do not skip one of the shloka, any of the shlokas. Say all the shlokas, which will be really helpful for you. The chanting the shlokas, even earlier days when I was in younger, I never used to do this. Whenever my father used to say, I used to say no. But now I know the importance of saying the shloka, and somehow my father, he used to make me sit and he used to chant he used to make me to chant the shlokas. I used to do it. Because of that, I think the memory power has a great impact on my memory power. So it improves, the shloka improves your memory power, it improves your concentration, it improves your focus. And believe me, when you chant the shlokas at the right vibration with the right tone, it expands your lungs capacity. It makes your breathing very good and healthier. So obviously, if the breathing is healthy, your immune system is very strong and powerful. You will be very healthier. Please keep up your practice every day, and I would like to thank you for enrolling and for attending this course, and thanks for believing and trusting in this course. Thank you so much. You can connect with me in the messages if you have any kind of a doubts, or if you have any kind of a suggestions also. And I would request you to leave a feedback, which will be very much useful for me. Your feedback is very much appreciated. Okay, thank you so much once again. Thank you for enrolling. Thank you for your patience and learning in this course. Thank you for your time. Giving up your time is very important. Thanks for that. Thank you. Take care. Stay safe. Keep chanting. Keep reciting. Namaskara. Here in this section, I will be reciting all the shlokas from the beginning that we have learnt. So we'll start with the Guru Mantra. Om Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Gurur Devo Maheshwaraha Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Asato ma Sadgamaya Tamaso ma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amrutangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Next is a Deepam Shlokam. Shubham karoti kalyanam Arogyam Dhanasampadaha Shatru Buddhi Vinashaya Deepa Jyotir Namostute. Next is a wake up shloka. Karagre vasate Lakshmi Karamadye Saraswati Karamule Sthite Gauri Prabhate Karadarshanam. Next is Bhumi Shloka. Samudravasane Devi Parvatastana Mandite Vishnupatni Namastubhyam Padasparsham Kshamasvame. Next is while taking bath. Gange cha yamune chaiva Godavari saraswati Narmade sindhu kaveri Jalesmin sannidhim kuru. Next is while having a food, before food. Annapurne sadapurne Shankara pranavallabhe Jnanavairagya siddhartam Bhikshandehi cha Parvati. Next is Ramaskandam, while going to the bed. Ramaskandam Hanumantam Vainateyam Rukodaram Shayane Yasmare Nityam Duswapnam Tasya Nashyati. Next is Ganesha Shloka. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvada. Gajananam Bhutaganadi Sevitam Kapitta Jambu Palasara Bhakshitam Umasutam Shoka Vinashakaranam Namami Vigneshwara Pada Pankajam. Pranamya Shirasa Devam Gauri Putram Vinayakam Bhaktavasam Smare Nityam Aishkamartha Siddhaye. Next is Sharada Stotra. Namaste Sharade Devi Kashmira Puravasini Tvamaham Prarthaye Nityam Vidyadanam cha dehi me. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhar Bhavatu me sada. Next is the Lakshmi Shloka. Namaste stu Mahamaye Shripithe Surapujite Shankachakra Gadahaste Mahalakshmi Namostute. Sarvamangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadhike Sharanye Trayambake Devi Narayani Namostute. Next is Rama Shloka. Shri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tattulyam Rama Nama Varanane. Next is Hanuman Shloka. Manojavam Marutatulya Vegam Jitendriyam Buddhimatam Varishtam Vatatmajam Vanarayutha Mukyam Shri Ramadutam Sharanam Prapadye. Next is Krishna Shloka. Vasudeva Sutam Devam Kamsa Chanuramardanam Devaki Paramanandam Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. Next is Vishnu Shloka. Shuklam Bharadharam Vishnum Shashivarnam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vigno Pashantaye. Next is Mrutyunjaya Mantra. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrityor Mukshiyamamrutat. Next is Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhur Bhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yona Prachodayat. Next is Bhagavad Gita Shlokas. Paritranaya sadhunam Vinashaya cha dushkrutam Dharma samstapanathaya Sambhavami yuge yuge. Karmanyevadhikaraste ma paleshu kadachana मा कर्मफलहेतुर्भो मा ते सङ्गोऽस्त्वकर्मणि क्रोधद्भवति सम्मोहात् स्मृतिविभ्रमः स्मृतिभ्रंशद्बुद्धिनाशो बुद्धिनाशात् प्रणश्यति ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति